Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to install some carbon fiber canards on this Ferrari 458.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and we are at the Howard, and this is my friend Casey's 458, and today we're going to be installing these Arutu carbon fiber front canards. So I already have some carbon fiber front canards on mine. Richard already has some on his. Loper already has some on his, but Casey, well, I mean, no, that's gotta go, that's gotta go. We need those, the plastic ones, nah, they gotta go. So if you wanna support us, please go like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, that helps us out, and go visit normalguysupercar.com, and there you can actually buy these. So yes, you can buy these, and use the code NGS10, it'll hook you up with 10% off. And you can also send us an email, sales@normalguysupercar.com, and there we can give you a custom quote, and hook you up with even better prices when you're doing like a big order, or if there's something that's not on our website. All right guys, let me show you these Arutu front canards, and they are beautiful. Okay, so one of the problems with anything carbon fiber is it's really, really expensive. So over here on mine, like I said, we've got Capristo carbon fiber front canards. So if you didn't know, my car, when we were on a road trip, we were doing the Bull Run GT rally, and my canard got hit by something on the road and totally shattered. I reached out to Capristo, and voila, I have Capristo front canards. Now, in my opinion, I'm gonna say Capristo's pretty much the creme de la creme. They are the top of the line. They are perfect. When you get them, they are just glorious. So if you want the absolute best, that is it. However, if you want something that looks really good and costs significantly less, well, here you go. Here is an Arutu carbon fiber front canard, and you can see it looks beautiful. So these are on our website right now, and these cost almost $2,000 less than the Capristos. These are about 1,200 bucks. Again, you can use the code NGS10, hook you up with 10% off. Amazing, beautiful canards, and they're pretty much about as cheap as you can get on the market, and they're made in the USA, so they actually get shipped to you pretty quick if you're in the USA. So we're gonna get his car jacked up in the air, get the front bumper off. That's the only downside. You do have to pull off the front bumper to put these things on there, but it's not that bad. And once we do that, he's gonna have some front canards that are carbon fiber. So also I wanted to thank Arutu for hooking us up with these. These are actually the first ones that they made. So what happened was, when mine got damaged, I sent them my old ones and said, hey, can you guys make this? Because I'm a friend of theirs. So they made them. It took a little while, and here we go. We have the first ones, and they look amazing. So we got the car all set up to get lifted up, but before we do, we're gonna remove these trim panels. So these have to come off real quick. Good news is the headlights stay, just the bumper comes off, just the bumper cover, I should say. It's a little bit wonky because once we get it all unbolted, there is the sprayers. So if you didn't know, these are actually little headlight sprayers. You kind of gotta like disconnect the hoses or something like that. That's kind of it. It's actually fairly simple, just unbolting a bunch of stuff. So anyway, we'll get these unbolted and get those trim panels out. All right, so these are all little 3mm hex heads, and then because Ferrari is so awesome, we have a T27 Torx and another Torx, and then we have a Phillips right there. So we have to get all the stuffs in order to get these panels out.
We've been worried
There. Now that those little covers are off, you can see these are Torx bits that are holding on the bumper cover. I think we also have to remove this one, so there's 3 right there, 3 right here, and then I believe there's some covers or some bolts that we have to pull off the fender liners to get to, so we'll check those in a second. But let's just pull these off first while we got the car sitting on the ground. Another thing to note is there are actually little spacers out of here, so you don't want to lose those. You got to make sure you get the right ones to the right right spots. So what we'll do is, once we get these all off, you can see the bumper cover starts to move. We'll pop it up and slip those out, or even just leave them in place, but we got to make sure we keep them in order. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go under each of these and collect the little Little spacers. Oh, this side doesn't have any. Okay, well this one has none. This one has some. There we go. So we're gonna keep these in order. So I was just consulting the trusty Ferrari manual, and interesting enough, there is a missing part on this car. There is supposed to be a brake duct that goes from here to here, and from here to here.
Sure this
No,
isn't the duct?
no, that comes in off these. That.
Because this is a duct as well.
Yeah, but there is a duct. We'll check my car. I'll show you. But yeah, there is a. I remember that now. There is a duct that goes right here. And it's gone. This particular instance, we've got all the stuff removed in the top, so now we just have to get on the bottom and remove a bunch more screws, so we're gonna lift the car up. All right, so now you can see here are the bolts, and so there's 10 millimeters and Torx all over the place. I mean, there is a boatload of them. You gotta get all these off, and then the front bumper cover will come off. Gotta get the wheels off so we can get the fender liners out. Look at how tighten these things on. Jeez, oh, Pete. Good Lord. Someone was not messing around when they torqued these. All right, we're gonna get the fender liner off the front. So these are 4 millimeter Allens.
But
they're having a very in-depth discussion about Nashville hot chicken right now. It's very important.
and I'm very hungry.
I know, it's making us all hungry. Here's the panel. All right, let's see if we can get this off. There we go.
It's like killer. Did you just need? How far back do you need to slide it?
Oh, yeah, I guess we can get to it right there.
Yeah.
Good call. Thank you, Adam.
Every once in a while, I get a really good idea.
That was.
It's not very often, but
That was a good one. You gotta pull up right here.
mine is off the fender over here, so we've made progress. There it is.
Okay. So we can't go all the way off because we still have like some hoses connected and shit. So don't drop on my head either.
No.
Actually, we probably could just change them out like this.
Really?
Yeah, because
That'd be helpful.
yeah, okay, we'll just do that. Just to show you, hold on, what we're doing. Ugh. Casey's just gonna hold it. There are the 3 bolts right there and right there. That's all we need to do is change those out. So I'm gonna get in there real quick. All right, so here we go. Here is carbon fiber and plastic. So once you get those 3 bolts off, it pops off really simple. And then we just screw it on, and that's it. So we'll do the other side, and then we're ready to rock and roll.
Nice to see some bling.
Right? You got some.
Yeah, I got some shine, some reflection.
Ooh, sexy.
Dope.
What do you think? This is what they're gonna look like. They look. Yeah, they're sexy. Oh yeah. We need some better lighting. There we go. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah. I think Casey's happy. All right, we're gonna have to get that on the ground and see what it looks like. All is good, back on the ground, torqued everything down, and look at that glorious carbon fiber. I think we have satisfied Casey.
Not that way, pervert.
Oh, yeah. Not in that kind of way, no. So those are available on our website, normalguysupercar.com. So it's the Root 2 front carbon fiber canards, and they are $1,200. You can use the code NGS10. It'll take off 10% of those. So hook yourself up and get those.
That's
They're
at
awesome.
least $10 it takes off.
I mean, that's, yeah.
At least $10.
At least $10. It's a little bit more than $10. Yeah, I'm a fan of them. They look good. Please like, share, and subscribe. That does help us out. We do appreciate that when you guys do that. We have obviously a few more things to work on. Josh is here today, so we're going to be wrenching on the 355. You guys love it when we're doing that, so stay tuned for that. Again, normalguysupercar.com. If there's something that's not on the website and you want us to get it for you, or if you want a custom quote, email us sales@normalguysupercar.com. That's going to wrap it up. We're going to go have some fun, drive around some Ferraris for a little bit. So You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to be doing a lot of car stuff, so you're going to want to stay tuned.
Because we're going to go get chicken and waffles right now.
It's chicken and waffles time. It's going to be sweet. Literally.